কি স্বীকার করছো? তা কি স্বীকার করছো? কয়টা পাইছো?
So at first, I would like to introduce myself. Okay. So my name is
Okay,
Binod Hasda, and I am a graphic designer, and I live in West Bengal. So it is my small introduction.
okay. Thank you for your introduction. If I talk about myself, my name is Aminul. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm learning English. Yeah, that's all about me.
So you are
So,
from Bangladesh.
yeah, I'm from
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
So
So,
I thought,
as
I thought you are from India.
I'm from India, why are you thinking about me?
So most of the people are from this group are Indians. So that's why I thought, but you are Bangladeshi. So it is my opportunity to meet you.
Okay, so brother, didn't you talk with Bangladeshi friend before?
Yeah, before I had conversation with one small girl.
Small girl. Maybe she's from Dhaka in Bangladesh.
I yeah, I don't know, and she has YouTube channel as well.
Okay, that's really nice. So, brother, as you said, you are a graphic designer.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so brother, if I talk about if I share with you my dream in future, I want to be a freelancer. I want to do freelancing, and
Oh,
you are already doing a graphic designing. So, tell me something about freelancing. Which sector is better in future?
so means means all the sectors are good. So you should have good skill. You should be skillful. So that matters. Okay. So if I talk about skill like graphic designing, video editing, and digital marketing, all these are you can say a high paying job. You can say okay.
Okay, I
So,
understand.
so all these are good and all these are high demanding. So no doubt about it.
So brother, when did you start to graphic designing?
So now I am working means now I am improving myself. So in 2025 I will start freelancing.
Okay, you right now you are don't earning money to doing graphic
Yes, yes,
designing.
absolutely right.
Okay, so I'm thinking about yourself. Yeah, right now you are earning money to doing graphic
No, no,
design.
I have not started. So
So
in
that means
2025 definitely. So
you
within
are
one
right.
or 2 months I will start.
Okay, right now you are planning to learn graphic designing.
So yeah, it means now I am beginner you can say.
Okay,
So
I understand.
now I have learned many things in Photoshop. Okay.
Okay, so brother, how do you learn from YouTube channel or you doing a course?
So in past, so I used to go to coaching center to learn, but that was not enough for me. So that was not good for graphic designing. But if I talk about basics, so I have learned basics from that coaching center. So that was good for basics. But if I talk about graphic designing, so it was not good. Okay.
Okay, I understand. Actually, I have a computer and I learned something about Adobe Illustrator. I know basic tools of Adobe Illustrator. Do you know Adobe Illustrator?
Yeah, yeah, I know because yeah, it is very
Actually,
popular
uh,
software.
I was working. How do I say? Animate video. I was working animate video before 4 months,
Oh,
and right now I'm give up this work.
you give up. Why?
Now I'm improving my English. After improving my English, then I will take a course about
You
freelancing.
will yeah you will take course for freelancing from means what kind of course do you want to buy from Bangladesh or from foreign?
Bangladesh. I want to take
Yeah, from
Bangladeshi course. Yeah,
yeah.
in Bangladesh there are many good tutor.
There are many good tutors like outsourcing BD Institute and
Yeah.
Ehsan Naddin Naman, freelancer Nasim. So all those are great freelancer. I know them and I follow them. Okay.
Okay, I also follow them. And okay, brother. So, are you learning English for your freelancing?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay, okay, I'm Muslim. So, brother, you are from West Bengal. What time is it over there? But
Now it
in my,
is,
it's going to dark.
yes, so same here. It is going to dark in my area as well. So it is 4:45.
Okay, brother. So, can you show me your outside?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So here you can see some, two guys are standing. Hi. And over there you can see another guy. So he is actually hunting. So
Hunting.
you
Okay.
can, yeah, you
Yes.
can see so
Yes. Yes. I
do
know.
you know
I
this,
know.
this one?
I know. I know. Yes. I used to play it in my childhood.
So, but I don't know what is called in English. And another guy also has come. You can see
So,
many guys,
brother,
and behind you can see.
he- why he
So
marksing our face?
yeah, yeah. So he has put on mask. Okay. So means they are now hunter. They are hunting. They are
Okay.
trying
I
to
know.
kill, yeah, birds.
They are hunting birds. So, brother.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, brother. So, how far you stay from your house right now?
So they are showing you please कोई रकम course ना. So
Brother,
they are showing the weapon. Okay. So but that is not good. That is not good sign.
okay,
Okay. So
they can speak
I
English.
apologize. So I apologize from my side for that. Okay. So
No
don't take it
problem.
seriously.
I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying. So, they can speak English.
So they cannot speak. They can speak Bengali. So you can ask them in Bengali. So if you want to ask.
Okay. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? তুমি মুখে মা- তুমি মুখে মাস্ক পরছো কেন? পাখি
বলছে
পাখি পাখি শিকার করছো? পাখি শিকার করছো? কয়টা পাইছো? কয়টা পাইছো?
বল
একটি। তোমরা তোমরা পড়াশোনা করো না? পড়াশোনা করো? শোনো 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 কি বলি? তোমরা তো- হ্যাঁ, তোমরা শোনো কি বলি? তোমরা তোমাদের বাইরে থেকে ইংরেজি শিখো, বুঝছো? তোমরা তোমাদের বড় ভাইয়ের কাছ থেকে ইংরেজি শিখো, ইংরেজি কথা বলা শিখো।
So actually they don't understand. Okay, they don't have good knowledge. Okay, so they don't have sense. They are not polite.
Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Are they study in Hindi medium school or Bangla medium school?
Okay, so they study in Bengali medium school.
Okay, that's why they don't know. So,
Yeah.
brother. Okay, so brother, when did you start to learn English?
So I started learning this language 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Oh my God, it's a long
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. So it has been long time, and means now I practice every single day.
Okay. Yeah, if we practice every day, definitely we'll able to speak English very fluently within very soon. So, brother, right now, are you staying? How many far are you staying from your house?
So so it takes almost two 2 minutes.
Okay, it's very close to.
Yeah, half kilometer. You can say half kilometer.
Yeah, your aeronautics is very beautiful. And are you
Yeah,
practice your English to come in here? Are you practice your English to come in here?
yeah. Means whenever I practice English, at that time I come here and I make video call and I talk with my
Okay.
co-learner.
Okay, so don't you practice stay at your home?
Staying at my home, I don't practice. I don't like at my home. So I love outside. So that's why I have come.
Okay. Do you get shy to practice in front of people when you stay at your home?
So I don't get shy, but I don't feel comfortable. Comfortable means it is a strange language. So that's why I come outside.
Okay, and so how many languages do you know?
So almost four languages.
Four languages you know. Oh my God. Can you tell me what types of language do you know? Bangla,
Yeah,
English.
yeah. My first language is Santali, okay, and second language Bengali, Hindi, and now English.
Okay. Are you fluent at this language?
Yeah.
Oh my
So
God.
it means
You
I don't have much idea about English, but apart from English, apart from English, I know those language very clearly.
so how do you learn Bangla, Bhojpuri, Hindi?
So basically, I studied in Bengali medium school, so that's why I know Bengali. So no doubt about it. And if I talk about English or not English, so Hindi. So by watching films, by watching Bollywood films, I learned.
Okay. And Santali?
Santali is my mother tongue.
Okay. So mother tongue. That's why you can speak in Santali. And I
Yeah.
know I understand Hindi, but I can't speak in Hindi.
So yeah, because there is no environment of Hindi, so that's why.
So okay. So brother, have you graduated or
No, no, I did not study much. I left study in ninth class. So it was my biggest fault in my life. Okay.
okay? So what do you do for your life right now?
So right now I do Xerox work like printing, etc.
Printing.
And I do like you can say voter card, PAN card, etc.
Okay. Okay. I understand. Okay, that's really nice. So, you are doing this kinds of work. You are supporting to your family.
Yes, yes. Actually,
Okay.
now I am not supporting. My parents are helpful. Okay.
Okay. So, brother, how do you learn English? Just making conversation, watching English video. That's it. Or are you doing any course on online?
So online, I'm not doing any course. But if I talk about now, so I practice every single day on video call. And apart from practicing, I watch English cinema. Okay. So
Oh,
example like Hollywood films like Guardians of the Galaxy, Iron Man, Spider Man, etc. I watch those kind of films. And apart from watching movies, I learn vocabulary as well. And sometimes I
oh.
read and write. So that's all.
Okay, brother. So, what do you think about grammar? Grammar is important to learn speaking English.
Yeah, so if someone is beginner, then he or she can learn. But if someone wants to be a good speaker, then it is very important. But whatever you know, you can